Hi there, welcome to my new video on connecting data sources in Power BI Desktop. To create any charts, graphs or to do any analysis in Power BI Desktop, the first step is to connect to the data source. We want to carry out our analysis work. In various ways, we can connect to data sources in Power BI Desktop. When we open the Power BI Desktop, a dialog box appears. We can select the Get Data option from here to connect to the data source, or we can close this dialog box and go to Report View and connect to the data source from here, or for more options we can select this Get Data from another source. Get Data dialog box will appear, or we can close this dialog box and go to Home tab, then Get Data and choose options from here, or go to More options and a Get Data dialog box will appear. In Power BI Desktop, we can connect to various data sources. Here you can see all the data sources. We can connect to various files like Excel, text, PDF, etc. Database like Oracle, SQL, SAP, etc. Microsoft Fabric Preview, Power Platform, Azure, online services, and many more. Let's import a Excel file. Go to the Excel workbook, then connect, then select the file, then open. A navigator dialog box will appear. Here you can see the Excel file name and all the sheets present in the Excel file. Select the sheets for which you want to carry out the analysis work. After selecting the sheet name, you will get three options here: Load, Transform Data, and Cancel. Load will upload the data directly to the data model to create visualization. Transform Data will go to Power Query Editor page where we can clean and transform our data. Cancel cancels the import. Let's explore these two options, load and transform, one by one. Let's load the data. Now in the data field, we can see the two sheets that we have loaded. By clicking in this arrow mark, we can see all the field names that is present in that particular data or sheet. The summation symbol represents numerical field. Calendar symbol represents the date field, and the fields with no symbol represents the categorical data. Let's explore this transform data option. Now the Excel file is opened in Power Query Editor page. Here we can clean, transform and refine our data. After making all the required changes to the data, go to Home tab, then close and apply. The data is loaded to the data model. Now we are here in the report view page of Power BI Desktop. In data pane, we can see our data. From here, we can drag fields and drop it in report view to create various visualization. Let's import a file from SQL Server. For that, go to Home tab, then Get Data, then SQL Server, then server name. Here data connectivity mode, you will get two options, import and direct query. In my next video, I'll explain you about these two options. Let's select this import here, then click OK. Let's select the data set from here. Here also you will get three options, load, transform data and cancel. Let's select the load. In data pane, you will get the details of your data. From here, you can drag fields and drop it in report view to create various visualization. That's all for this video. Thank you.